Hey, this is Pragya Shaha, and today I am back with another book review. So, this is going to be only metamorphic book review. That means this is the book. Here we have Roger Masson's Petrology of the Metamorphic Rocks. This is a really good book because it's very handy, and metamorphic petrology has very less amount of like books which is totally dedicated to metamorphic petrology, and considering this fact, this is one of the best books. I'll quickly go through the contents and then we'll talk about this book. So it starts off with the introduction, metamorphism and metamorphic rocks, the three field categories of metamorphic rocks, aims of study of metamorphic rocks, the aims of this book, field relations of metamorphic rocks, contact metamorphic rocks, dynamic metamorphic rocks, regional metamorphic rocks. So whenever we talk about metamorphic rocks, there are three divisions: contact, dynamic and regional. Contact or thermal, dynamic and regional. Description and identification of metamorphic rock in hand specimen. So whenever you get the rock, you go in three layers. You get to the hand specimen, after that you get to the thin section, and after that you get through the lab techniques. Okay, so all three processes needs to be gone through to understand a rock properly, from A to Z, whatever is there, the composition, the texture, everything about the rock. So description and identification of metamorphic rocks in the field. In the field, you have to go through the hand specimen part only. There's primary sedimentation and sedimentary and igneous features, identification of the mineral assemblage, metamorphic fabric, metamorphic rock names. Then part 2, metamorphic rocks under the microscope, the chemical and mineralogical compositions of metamorphic rocks. So introduction, petrological microscope, metamorphic minerals. There are certain minerals which are metamorphic minerals, and you have to recognize which are the metamorphic minerals. Rock composition, mineral composition, equilibrium, phase rule, composition assemblage diagram. Contact metamorphic rocks, the Skiddaw contact aureole, Comrie aureole, Bain and Dawbach aureole, Isle of Skye. Then dynamic metamorphic rocks, progressive dynamic metamorphism of granite, the Loxaten Mylonite, Switzerland, progressive shock metamorphism at the Nordlinger Rise crater, Germany, metamorphism in moon rocks, regional metamorphic rocks of Precambrian shield areas, regional metamorphic rocks of Paleozoic orogenic belts, regional metamorphic rocks of Paleozoic orogenic belts, and this is part 2, regional metamorphic rocks of Cenozoic orogenic belts, metamorphic rocks of the ocean floor, metamorphic rocks of the upper mantle, the study of metamorphic reactions. Here we have the direct experiment, calculation of mineral stability fields, conclusion, metamorphic facies, isotope geology of metamorphic rocks. So unstable isotopes, potassium argon isotope, rubidium strontium method, stable isotopes, oxygen isotope geothermometry, the origin of water in metamorphic rocks, electron probe microanalysis, the electron probe microanalyzer, the study of metamorphic reaction, study of coronas, and metamorphic rocks and the evolution of the earth. So this is it. This is the contents. It's a very fuller content, like it's a very thin book, considering the fact this is one of the best books for metamorphism actually, because it's a very thin book. The text is really, it's both intrusive, like immersive, and the facts are very crisp. So it's a very good book. Do try it out. If you like it, stay tuned for more videos. Until then, tata.